There is, within all invented sounds, a lack of identity. Something indifferent, equal, weary yet peaceful, detached, mist-like, transparent, saying nothing. There is nothing living within it. Their joining creates only an indifferent chain of puzzle pieces, equal, spiral, and serene. There is nothing living in it. Everything connects to everything effortlessly, with nothing greater than the other. They always fit because in their essence they are identical and uniform. The mouth may scream, weep, or rejoice, yet all that truly emerges from it is that same indifferent and peaceful chain of something undefined. Before it, there is the emptiness from which it comes, and it moves within it without the ability or reason to define it, just as it is not defined itself. It is silent, and the chain flowing out of it is silent too. Again and again it crawls out of it, moves here and there until disappearing back into it once more.